everybody, it's absolutely charming to see you. Tonight I'll be putting two 1930s Hollywood cocktail recipes to the test in order to determine which classic actress made the best martini, Joan Crawford or Loretta Young. One fateful day I stumbled upon what looks like an old magazine article called Hollywood's Cocktails, which, as the title suggests, is an absolute gold mine of cocktail recipes apparently favored by movie stars such as Clark Gable and Mae West. Now, I happened to notice that both Joan Crawford and Loretta Young had their very own martini recipes, so I thought to myself, wouldn't it be fun to make both cocktails and see which is the best? So that's what I'm doing, and I'm taking you lovely folks along for the ride. This is my marvelous antique bar cart, one of my most treasured belongings. Isn't it gorgeous? Here's what we'll be using today. French vermouth, dry gin, absinthe for Loretta's martini, the cocktail shaker and measuring cups, and 2 martini glasses. I'll also be garnishing the cocktails with lemon and an olive respectively. First, let's start with Joan Crawford's martini. Now, I'm no cocktail connoisseur, so please don't judge my technique too harshly. I'll be stirring my cocktail in ice, so let's start with that. The recipe is half a part of French vermouth, and 1 part gin. I wasn't sure if this interesting whisk was the correct tool for mixing this, but I couldn't find anything better, so here we are. I think I'm going to choose the smaller glass, because this cocktail doesn't seem to have a lot of volume. The Hollywood's Cocktails article claims that Joan Crawford's then husband named this drink the Dancing Lady, after the 1933 film. That's it. So I have tried my best to make a little lemon twist to garnish this martini with, but unfortunately it broke. So it's going to be a bit deconstructed this time. Here we are, the Dancing Lady. Joan Crawford, I hope I did you proud. Probably not though. I'm going to try it later on along with Loretta Young's recipe. However, I will already rate its appearance. I'm giving it a solid 4 out of 5 because it looks gorgeous. Sure, it's nothing fancy, but I think the lemon is a fantastic touch. With the Dancing Lady off cooling in the fridge, I'm going to be making Loretta Young's martini. Loretta's martini recipe is as follows: 1 part French vermouth, 3 parts of dry gin, 'and a dash of absinthe. The absinthe ended up being really difficult to find in such a tiny size, so what I ended up doing was getting absinthe flavoring instead. And I know it's not the real thing, but I think it's going to do the job just fine. Now it's time to shake. I'm sure there's a way to shake the cocktail so my hand doesn't get wet, but as I mentioned earlier, I'm certainly no cocktail making expert. Finally, the finishing touch, an olive. Time to score Loretta's martini on appearance. Though I find that it looks very sophisticated, especially with the olive in it, I must say that its greenish-blue tinge thanks to the absinthe looks a little unsettling. I give it a 3 out of 5. And here we are, Martini a la Loretta Young. Smells strong. Okay, now I have to get the dancing lady and we're going to compare how it tastes. There we have it, folks. Joan Crawford's and Loretta Young's Martini. First off, for starters, I have never really been a gin person, and I'm still not a gin person, because this tastes preposterous. It tastes like I would imagine petrol to taste. It looks very gorgeous though. Ah. Look. So, no high hopes for Loretta Young's Martini either. Does look quite nice, but I hate olives. And it smells horrendous, so keep me in your thoughts. Ah! How do people drink this? It's so nasty, I'm so sorry. Maybe I'm the wrong person to do this. I've got absolutely... No, I don't like either of them and I'm so sorry. I can't even judge. Because they're both so disgusting in their own way. I'll have to have a long think about it. Which one I hate the least, I guess. Although, to me, the dancing lady has obviously won in terms of appearance. Sorry, Loretta Young. For taste, I shall be scoring Joan Crawford's Martini a generous 1 out of 5, because although it tasted frankly awful and I wouldn't drink it again, it thankfully had a hint of lemon, which was its only redeeming quality. Now it's Loretta's Martini's turn. What can I say? Disgusting! 0 out of 5. It doesn't taste like it's safe for human consumption. The absinthe adds an interesting angle. Interesting meaning terrible. Honestly, it was hard to swallow. Now I'll combine the scores and determine the winner. So, in conclusion, with Joan Crawford's Martini scoring 5 out of 10 and Loretta Young's getting 3, we have a clear winner, the Dancing Lady. No, I'm not going to drink it again. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've put both cocktail recipes down in the video description so you can also try them out if you like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly vintage style videos. Bye for now!